I would like to felicitate my core committee team. आज रागिनी भी रो पड़ेगी, आज मैं नहीं रो रही हूँ, रागिनी रो रही। नेक्स्ट माय वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आरती। डॉक्टर बीनल। डॉक्टर ज्योति। ज्योति ने मेरा नाम पढ़ा था कैप्टन कूल, है ना?
She is really very cool captain, and for me she will always remain Captain Cool of IMS.
जब हमने कोरोना के टाइम पे क्विज बुक बनाई थी जिग्नेश भाई, तो हमने उसका नाम क्विज क्वीन पाड़ा था ना। डॉक्टर हेप्सिबा। डॉक्टर सुधा। हम दोनों ऐसे हैं कि जहाँ जाएंगे साथ ही जाते हैं।
Dr. Bipasha Sen, Dr. Anju Soni, please come on the stage.
बिपाशा, अंजू,
Dr. Atul Munshi,
अंजू को मैं बड़ी दीदी बोलती हूँ।
Dr. Jignesh Shah, बोल दिया Dr. Jignesh Shah. और किसका?
And my advisors, without whose
Dr. Hara
help-
Patanayak,
Sir,
Dr. Ambuja, Dr. Jyoti Shah,
Dr. Anita has given us lot more than expected. That is only one sentence I will say.
हरा भैया,
and lastly, to Mike Pani, Dr. Anita Shah का Madam Ragini Agrawal होंगे.
Madam is always ready. Whatever, whenever you ask, she will always help us.
It's a lovely year. To work with Anita is a pleasure. Anita, God bless you always.
Here just I'll take 1 minute to just appreciate my husband. Now I'll stay at home.
Now she'll be mine. Last year I have given her for IMS.
Madam, please.
Madam, we are also taking this opportunity to felicitate our beloved teacher, Dr. Bharadwaj, with Vimal Gulati Lifetime Achievement Award. I request Dr. Anita Shah to present this award to Madam Bharadwaj. And also Dr. Bina Bharadwaj, Bina Chaturvedi Outstanding Woman Award to Mrs. Megha.
हाँ आइए ना
मैं उधर नीचे आ रहा हूँ.
हाँ उसका अवार्ड का नाम बताओ क्या है अरे मेरे को बताओ फिर से बोलना है एंड नाउ आउटस्टैंडिंग वुमेन अवार्ड नाउ टू बी गिवन टू मेघा परमार.
Now I invite Dr. Meeta. We'll just release. You know that clinical practice guideline is the crown of our Indian Menopause Society. It was updated in 2020 and again this year it is updated. Dr. Meeta has done a very hard work for that. Many of you must have received the supplement copy which is just in our JMH journal. So the complete CPG guideline book is prepared and this time we have just decided to give it to all the IMS family members in the physical form. So 3 cheers for Meeta.
A very good evening, everybody. Congratulations, the center team, both of you, and Bhopal team for doing such a wonderful job. It's such a pleasure to see, we have been in the society for the past 30 years, and to see it grow from that small seed into a flower which has blossomed now. And I think it's in its pink. And we want to maintain that sanctity. And I'm so confident about the younger generation who's coming in. Feel very happy about all of you. So I would like to acknowledge my co-authors who have worked very hard in the last 1 year. And some of them are heading, institutes, professors, but they have taken time off, worked 24 hours. So I have Dr. Kiran Agarwal, King's College, professor, and Dr. Anuradha, she is a professor at Madurai. Dr. Leela, she is from Ashwin and she is an oncologist. So we got in from different people. Then Dr. Asna, she is a private practitioner, Ujwala from Lucknow, and Dr. Tanveer works at our place hospital. So we had 3 people who were hardcore menopause specialists, and we had one who was in the perimenopause, the transition problems, and we had the oncologist. So we had all of them together. Thank you so much.
Friends, we are giving Lifetime Achievement Award to our past president. One of them is Meeta, so I am giving this now only so that we don't waste time. I invite Munshi sir out for Lifetime Achievement Award. Aradhna. Sir is just like our godfather. So humble, so polite. Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Whatever I am here in Foxy as well as in IMS, it's always possible because there was a lady behind me. She was looking after me. She was looking after my family. My children were growing, and she was looking after my private practice also. So I must give this belongs to her.
Yes, I very rightly told you that behind every successful man there is a woman. So, madam, we honor you also. Next, Maninder Madam. हम प्यार से उनको मंडी दीदी बोलते हैं. You all know that she is the icon of. Today morning also she attended the whole session of Raj Shetty sir, and sir was also very happy with Maninder Madam. Thank you. Next, Jyoti Unni. So humble, so polite, so silent worker. I just remember when I had just entered the IMS. Hara sir, Hara Patnaik. Our all past presidents are the diamonds of our crown of IMS, and so year by year we just give them lifetime achievement award. IMS wants to work at the rural level also, and Dr. Maninder Ahuja had donated some fund for rural activity, and the best society who has done rural activity maximum, we are honoring them. Bharuch Society, Dr. Bhavna Seth. Congratulations, Bhavna.
Our villages are our heart of the country. In this era of technology and race for technology, some or the other हम लोग villages को पीछे छोड़ते जा रहे हैं, वो women को पीछे छोड़ते जा रहे हैं जो 80% हमारी population बना रही हैं. इसीलिए ये अवार्ड दिया गया कि हमारी सोसाइटी जो हैं वो जाके कम से कम साल में 1-2 बारी विलेजेस में जाके डेटा कलेक्शन करें और उनकी हेल्थ के बारे में दें. और डॉक्टर said तो she has been working for so many years now and very proud of her.
Yes, 21 years. Every month we go to a different village and we do service there.
This year Sudha is going to do a more and more rural activity. So please be ready for serving our society. Next, Jabalpur. Chitra Jain or anyone else? Okay, fine. Jabalpur Society also has done a great job. To Sunila Khandelwal's Best Research Paper Award usually we are giving. This time it is given to Alvaro Castro, but he is not there, so we will just hand over to him. The another book we have prepared, that is MCQ book, Dr. Savita Tyagi, with the help of her all quiz questions, we have made this book, and that you all of you must have got in your kit. Neelam had just helped for peer reviewed the quiz book. And for this prescription writing book, Dr. Ambuja Madam had helped us and peer reviewed this. Madam, please. We would like to felicitate all the 4 zonal conferences organizing team. Abhay sir, aa jao. Sethia. Yeah. She is the person who is taking care of the boys. Many of us had enjoyed the East Zone conference at Bhubaneswar. West Zone Conference, Pragati, Nagpur. From Nagpur, who is there? Pragati. लक्ष्मी आ जाओ. प्रगति कहाँ गई? प्रगति खलाटकर. श्रीखंडे मैडम जी. Enjoyed the West Zone conference at Nagpur. Thank you very much, Dr. Pragati, Dr. Lakshmi, and the whole team. Next is from Chandigarh. Anyone is there? Neelam. Neelam, aja. North Zone conference. Nirja was also there. No, Nirja is there or gone somewhere. Come. North Zone. We request Harsa sir, please come over here. He is from Sri Lanka. He has come from such a long distance to be over here. Yeah. Dr. Unop sir, he is there. Come from Thailand to be over with us for 3 days. This issue of journal is as a supplement of our CPG guideline. You must have enjoyed it.
It will reach to each and every member at our home.
Now we ask the President IMS, Dr. Anita Shah, to release the souvenir that has been specially prepared for this occasion by Dr. Sweta, by Dr. Modita Jain, Dr. Purva Balkur and Dr. Shushutra. This has got all the messages, all the abstracts and lovely articles by the whole IMS team. So it is something that you all must take back home.
Hats off to Bhopal team. And how can we forget Bhopal team? We will felicitate Bhopal team also. Sudha.
Thank you.
Again, I am repeating, we are enjoying the fruits of hard work done by the whole Bhopal team. 3 cheers for Bhopal team. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Yesterday you enjoyed the lovely cultural program also along with the scientific program. Till 11 o'clock everyone was there. And in the morning also 6:30 everyone again came for the fitness session. So hats off to all IMS family members. Thank you very much. Just one word, Ruchika come. Yeah.
The Indian Menopause Society presents the Best Research Paper Award published in the Journal of Midlife Health. Is presented for the year 2025-26 is presented to Dr. Alvaro Monterosa Castro. But she is not able to come. She is from California.
She has said that it should be given, a small video should be given to it. Normally we get about 20 to 25% of international papers. Our journal has reached to that height. Thank you very much for everything.
We are talking every day regarding MHT app. Dr. Sashi Srivastav has prepared. So I'm telling her to say a few words.
आज मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद देती हूँ उस ईश्वर का जिसने मुझे से माता पिता दिए, जिन्होंने मुझे लायक बनाया कि मैं कुछ कर सकूं, कुछ बदल सकूं और समाज के लिए उपयोगी बन सकूं। आज मैं इंडियन मेनोपॉज सोसाइटी के उस मंच का भी नमन करती हूं जिसने मुझे अवसर दिया कि मैं एक चिकित्सक ही नहीं हूं बल्कि राष्ट्र सेवा का एक मंच और माध्यम भी बन सकती हूं। यह केवल एक संगठन नहीं है, यह एक शक्ति है जो हम महिलाओं के स्वास्थ्य के लिए संगठित होकर कार्य करने की प्रेरणा देती है। आई एक्सप्रेस माई डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड टू डॉक्टर अनीता शाह, whose guidance, unwavering support were instrumental in dealing all these missions. Now I tell about the HP app. Today I stand here with deep gratitude and humanity. This moment is not just about launching an application, it is about launching a commitment to the health, dignity and vitality of Indian women in midlife. Menopause is not the end of youth, it is a transition, powerful transformation and deeply personal. Yes, we all know that many women suffer silently, hot flashes, sleep disturbances, bone loss, metabolic changes, emotional stability, and along that fear, that misinformation surrounding the menopause hormone therapy. As a gynecologist, we understand the science, we know the opportunity, and we know that appropriately prescribed MHT can change the lives. But we also scary and responsible also. We worry about the safety. We worry about the comorbidities like the diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular risk. We worry about the long-term outcomes, and sometimes that worry creates a hesitation. Today, as we are taking a step to the transform hesitation into the confidence, with the blessing of our seniors and the guidance of our mentor, we present MST, a clinician decision support system dedicated to menopause hormone therapy. This app, born from the collective vision, this carries evidence-based recommendation, personalized treatment, and the route of precise safety. It supports young clinicians who are being their menopause practice. It reassures experienced gynecologists in complex cases. And most importantly, it empowers us to save the woman with the clarity and the confidence. I would like to acknowledge my respected mentor, whose blessing made this national launch possible. Whatever we achieve today is a built support of your foundation. To my seniors and Indian Menopause Society, and to every colleague who believe in this vision, this is our collective effort. This is not a technology. This is a responsibility, dignity, and I thankful to our this vision, and I'm thankful to Madam who is given the opportunity to give this app as a launch. Thank you, Madam.
Congrats, Dr. Shashi. And in later on, she will explain about this app, and everyone will be able to use that app. One more app we have launched, that is by Corona Remedies, and that is calcium score. Whatever we are eating, from that how much calcium we are getting, that we have just made it possible. And Corona people from MR from Corona Remedies will approach your clinics, and they will do that for our patients. So that is one thing more. And now मैं सुधा की आंखों में देख रही हूँ कि जिसका मुझे था इंतजार आया मुझे वो घड़ी आ गई आज मुझे सुधा को मेडल पहनाना है.
Thank you.
So friends, I am just relaxed. I am giving my all responsibility to my dear Sudha, and I am sure you will enjoy more than my tenure with Sudha. I am sure.
Thank you, Anita, for doing this honor, but you will not go anywhere. You will be with me throughout the year.